So in the last video, I described how I wanted to tune up my screwball so that way the movement would be consistent and I wouldn't actually lose all of that movement depending on what day it was. Well, I'm attempting to do the same thing today with my drop ball, and here's how. Really, more so than any other pitch I have, my drop ball is a confidence pitch. If it's on that day, it's going to be a really good day for me, which is why it's imperative that I find out how it works very quickly so I can improve. Here's what I've noticed. Let's look at RJ Walgate. Whenever he throws his drop ball, his stride is directly out in front, pointing straight towards the plate, and his arm is nearly parallel to the ground every single time for a clean release. Obviously, with those two factors, along with the third factor being the back foot follow through, he seems to get a lot of very consistent movement and obviously location for someone who's practiced it a lot. Again, I've had days where I've had all of these, or at least most of these factors working in my favor, but I didn't really know what those factors were. But now I do, and now we're going to put them to the test today and see just how effective my drop ball can be when I match up all these different factors. We're missing all those on the same spot. Look back in. There we go. That's going to do it for this one. I'm really glad at how this one turned out so far. The change from like rip from here back down to the way I learned it definitely helped with consistent movement and location. So definitely going to be sticking with that moving forward. But other than that, I think the two most inconsistent pitches I have, I think they're now back. So good news for me, bad news for the rest of y'all. Peace.